ready? Ready?
Yep.
Sitting in a park in Paris, France, reading the news and sure looks bad. They won't give peace a chance. It was just a dream some of us had. Still a lot of lands to see, but I wouldn't want to stay here. It's too old and cold and settling its ways here. California, California, I'm coming home. I'm gonna see the folks I did. I'll even kiss a sunset here.